Happy Republic Day to all. On this day, let's remember the heroes who worked hard to give us this wonderful gift. The gift of being citizens of free and democratic country. Just like a team needs rules to play a game, our country has its own sets of rules that guide us towards unity, equality, and progress. The set of rules called Constitution. The Constitution is just like a superhero protecting our rights and giving us the freedom to dream big. Our Constitution is written by a great leader, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He envisioned a society free from any discrimination. Our country is like a big family with people from different states, cultures, and backgrounds. And our Constitution ensures that everyone is treated fairly and has equal rights. Remember, each one of us is like a little spark that when combined can create a bright future of our country. So my friends, let's make a pledge to make our country proud. Let's promise to be responsible, kind, and always stand up for what is right. Jai Hind.